Hello everybody, welcome back for part 2 of MCreator tutorials, so last time we made the block and the recipe for a block. This time we're going to be making a sword. So you're going to want to click tool down here. I've already opened it up, and to be a bit prepared this time, I already made the texture beforehand. So right here we have, you want to go there, you want to make your texture again, and then once you do that, you want to save it as a item texture, and then send it here. So, once again, the item model, this is if you want to make it like a 3D model, so like a shield or a trident or the spyglass. Um, Special information about the tool, you give it information. Like I said before, you can use it for like quests, lore, jokes, puns, any of that. So I'm making an emerald sword, so I'm just gonna say this sword was dipped in emerald. So we go to properties. First we name it. So I'm naming it Emerald Sword, and hoping I spell it right. How do you spell emerald? Emerald Sword. Okay, then you want to pick what type of tool it is. Is it a fishing rod, shears, hoe, spade, sword, axe, pickaxe, or which one of those is it? Mine's a sword, so I click sword. Then you choose what tab it goes in. Oh, I forgot to make. Okay. Actually, yeah, this video is going to be two parts. We're also going to make a creative tab. So name your creative tab. Once you've named your creative tab, yeah. So once you've named your creative tab, give it an icon. What do you want to make it look like? For mine, it's just going to be a simple birthday cake. If you want to make it where you have to click a different tab, creative tab, to close it with E instead, don't put the search bar on, but I'm gonna leave search bar off. It is suggested to have it on though if you have like tons and tons of items in your mod. So for creative tab, I'm just gonna do tutorial tab. So you saved mod element, yeah, boom, okay. So you can go into blocks. If you want to put it in that one, you can just boom. It's in your custom creative tab now. Okay, back to swords. So put it in whatever tab you want to put it in. So harvest level, that's for like if you want to make like a pickaxe or basically any tool that's not a fishing rod or sword. Yeah, so my harvest level doesn't really matter because it's a sword. Efficiency also doesn't matter because it's a sword. Enchantability. So over here in the question marks, it has like how much each can be done. If you're trying to make something simple like a book that can be used to enchant other stuff, then you do 1. If you want to make it similar to these, so for my emerald sword, I'm going to make it similar to diamond, but a bit better. So I'm going to make this one 12. So nope. What did I change? Whoops. Hold up. 4. Wrong one. Okay, attack speed. So this is important for your sword. Basically, how fast do you want the sword to attack? For me, I'm just going to go with a simple 3. Although, I think that might be too fast. I don't know. Damage against a mob. That's a whole lot of complicated stuff. But, like, diamond is 7.5. So, no, diamond is 8. So, we're going to do 9. And then, number of uses, I'm going to go with a simple 1,800. It's basically how many times do you want them to be able to use it before it breaks. Repair items is basically like, say you had a diamond sword, it was about to break, you could put a diamond with it, and it would fix it. Obviously, for my emerald sword, the repair item's an emerald. But it can be anything. You could literally use a cake as your repair item. Hold up, you could set an item that's impossible to get as your repair item. So is tool immune to fire? Basically, if you toss it into fire or lava, will it disappear? Mine will. Does the item stay in the crafting grid? Most of the time, if you're making a tool, these two won't really matter. Triggers are special stuff, just like, say you wanted your sword to be able to have, like, a special enchantment, you would put, like, a procedure here, but that's not this tutorial. So we're gonna save the mod element. We're gonna quickly create the recipe. Sword 1 recipe. Create the recipe. So I'm gonna make this one a smithing. Yes, smithing. So you put your tool in one slot. You put the what you mix with it in the other, and then you put the outcome in the third, and then name your recipe. Like with it's about the same as the block for this, but we're doing smithing instead. Sword E. So yeah, save your mod element, and that's basically it. Yeah, the sword's a bit less complicated than the block, and also I knew a bit more of what I was doing today. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed. If you liked, please leave a like. Maybe think of subscribing. And leave in the comments if you have an idea of what you would like to see in this next time. If you leave a comment, I will try to recreate it, or not recreate it. Just like, so say you go oh, I would like to know how to make a thing of armor. Well, then you would go to the comments, type something like, Jack, I'll help you. I would like to know how to make a armor set, and then I would try my best in one of the up and coming videos on how to. I would try my best to do it. I can't promise I'm gonna do all, but I will try my best. Yeah, but I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Toodles.